beating the lyrics. I'm speaking to wake up the spirits, releasing the feelings that be deep within us. I'm speaking to wake up the spirits. I beat out the beats and the lyrics. I'm speaking to wake up the spirits, releasing the feelings that be deep within us. First time that I'm rapping on a bear on beat, I'm making it happen, put this on repeat. To shake off the stress you can listen to me, cause I'm conquering quests, I'm a different breed. They got in, I'm making beats like crazy. Thankful to Celtic ancestors who raised me. Nothing you do can annoy or faze me. Standing on shoulders of giants that beige. Keowney's a doctor, flow is so tight. Impeccable mythical magic, that's mine. Sit back and relax while we go back through time. Nice Irish vibes with my rhymes intertwined. Ain't a dough, a treat to the car. I'm rising, get hard like I'm climbing the ladder. Strength from the water that makes people scatter. I have the whole world served to me on a platter. I'm speaking to wake up the spirits. I beat out the beats and the lyrics. I'm speaking to wake up the spirits, releasing the feelings that be deep within us. I'm speaking to wake up the spirits. I beat out the beats and the lyrics. I'm speaking to wake up the spirits, releasing the demons that be deep within us. It's mission on sleeve, so please follow me. It's not for the weak, not like contour teeth. Neither shit is not even for me. Only a Scoil got shinny on three. Temple on tinna, it couldn't say lower. It's mission on dinner, yeah, I got the power. I'm bringing the fear, like the banshee guaranteed. No doubt she be scared of me. Tearing the log, the story's been told from eons and eons and eons ago. Up on the shoulders of legends I roll, concurrent Fionn Mulvey in my Irish soul. I'm shade the glee and I headed the fee and I razor sharp bars. Ger, meshki and I salmon of knowledge, it flows through my veins. As that wins my college, I run this domain. I'm speaking to wake up the spirits. I beat out the beats and the lyrics. I'm speaking to wake up the spirits, releasing the demons that be deep within us. I'm speaking to wake up the spirits. I beat out the beats and the lyrics. I'm speaking to wake up the spirits, releasing the feelings that be deep within us. Thank you.